Hi everyone, happy Monday. This is week 6 of online learning. So thank you last week to everybody who got their service learning turned in. I have graded some of the turn-ins. I'll be working on the rest of them over the next few days. So this week we're going to move into our next unit, which will be on the judicial branch. So if you open up our folder for the week of May 4th, here is our to-do list. Alright, so today you're going to watch a YouTube video about the judicial branch and you're going to complete a web quest. Tomorrow and Wednesday you're going to work on judicial branch in a Flash. And Thursday and Friday you're going to work on an assignment called Sources of Law. That assignment has a KWL chart, an assignment sheet, and a discussion post. So let's go back to the folder for May 4th. Alright, so here is the video. That'll give you some background information about the judicial branch. Then we have the web quest, judicial branch in a Flash, and sources of law. And then the last part is a discussion post that goes along with the sources of law assignment. So judicial branch in a Flash, sources of law KWL, sources of law, those are all fillable PDFs. So you will need to download those to your computer, type in your answers, and then you can resubmit them back onto Schoology. And then for one accident, 2 trials, you're going to view a PowerPoint that goes along with the sources of law assignment and respond to the questions. Okay. So thank you once again. Everyone got their service learning done. Next week, we will continue with the second part of service learning. So if you finished your first project, next week we're going to go ahead and move on to our second project. Okay? Don't forget, if you are working and you have questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, and I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great week. Bye.